Good morning, everyone. We'll try to start the day, but grab the umbrella before you head out the door because it is looking wet this afternoon and it looks like the rain is going to be sticking around through tomorrow as well. But good news for the morning commute, no rain to be found and maybe even a little bit of sun to start the day, but not going to be staying that way. Enjoy the sun while it's here because it's quickly going to be going away. And the earliest I think we could start to see some showers start to push back into the area is right around lunchtime, around noon. We'll start to see it slide back into the area. And also, as we transition into the afternoon hours, it is going to get windy. Gusts are probably going to reach around 35 miles per hour this afternoon. So, though our high temperatures are going to reach the low 40s, not feeling quite that warm with those gusts, 35 miles per hour. Notice once we get to 3 o'clock, really starting to fill in, so not good timing here for the homebound commute. Very different story than what we're going to be seeing early this morning. It is quite likely that you will encounter rain driving home from work. Now, it is mostly going to be light to moderate rain, but I also have to mention the chance for some pockets of heavier rain, and yes, the chance for a couple of thunderstorms. That is a possibility as this warm front lifts over us. No severe storms. But I'm not going to rule out a few rumbles of thunder, a few lightning strikes, and some pockets of heavier rain. But certainly a very good chance that you're going to be seeing some light to moderate rain driving home from work. As we transition into the evening hours, I think it's going to start to break up. Notice at 9 o'clock, still a good chance of rain, especially eastern part of the area, but starting to see some gaps develop. Still going to be windy. I think it's about midnight that we're going to see a more significant drop off in the activity, really a transition back to isolated showers. And we'll also see the winds come down some. So those gusts 30, 35 miles per hour, I think gusts are going to only be around 20, 25 miles per hour. So what about the Wednesday morning commute? Actually looking pretty good. Now I still got to mention the chance for some isolated showers, but right now looking like more are going to be dry than seeing rain. And look how warm we are to start Wednesday morning. Typically this time of year, we're starting the day in the low 20s. Not tomorrow morning, mid to upper 40s to start. So how warm is it going to get? Well, it depends on how quickly the rain moves back in here. But right now, again, even in the late morning, doesn't look like much is going to be going on. But as we transition into the mid-afternoon, here we go, showers, and once again, the possibility of some storms because look at temperatures. I think low 50s are going to be common. I'm not going to rule out maybe some before the rain moves in, hitting the mid 50s. That's a possibility. So well above normal temperatures when we should only be seeing high temperatures this time of year in the mid 30s. So low to mid 50s. We'll absolutely take that. And the wind is still going to be with us tomorrow, but not as much as today. It's just still going to be breezy, gusts 20, 25 miles per hour. Now we're going to jump ahead to 7 o'clock tomorrow evening because this is when the warming trend is going to be coming to an end because you see this line of rain, this is the cold front coming in, so one last push of rain coming in as well. So it looks like the peak of the activity is going to be late afternoon, early evening hours ahead and along with this cold front. And look how those temperatures starting to come down. Yeah, the 30s coming back, 38 in Tipton, 37 Iowa City at 7 o'clock, and that will soon be occurring in the Quad Cities as well.